Whenever you're in the middle of the match and everything's happening at 100 miles an hour, your heart is pounding, the tackles are flying, and you feel like you're out of breath, but you can keep going. There's nothing better. Hopefully we'll feel that today. Whenever I first came on to the Antrim senior team 12 or 13 years ago, Carl was there, and we've been travelling together for club and county for a long time.
I'm in the coaching role now, so it's good to get his point of view. He knows how the game's changing out there, so we chat about these things in the car, when we're travelling.
Me and Carl played the majority of our hurling for Antrim at Casement Park, and the stadium was old and decrepit and cold. It was very unwelcoming. People did not like coming to Casement Park, and I suppose it was in the middle of West Belfast as well, and all the connotations around the Troubles were there, and people probably feared that area a little bit, and that would have been worth a couple of points to you any day of the week. I like to get to the ground early, maybe get out onto the field, just get the grass under your feet, strike the ball about, get familiar with the place.
If Neil's on form, there's nobody going to stop him. Even in the morning I can tell if he's in good form as well. I know he's going to have a good game. Neil's good in the air, so one of the reasons he's out there in the wing is hopefully catch a lot of puck outs. He's big, he's physical, and they'll be wanting him to kind of dominate in that area.
If we've turned them over, took the ball off them, and then got a score ourselves, that's huge. That's a massive boost for any team. There's a great adrenaline buzz, that you get at that stage of a game, and it's great to score, but it's back out, next ball, get into position. If you find yourself not in the game for a period of time, you just have to keep working and work really hard. You might get a hook in, you might get a block in, and next thing the ball pops to you. At half time, I suppose I've been moved from forwards into centre back. Absolutely determined to quell that threat of theirs in the half forward line, just so you will not be catching any more puck outs at all. I can hear Carl roaring on all the time.
Head up, McManus, head up!
No better man to be getting some instruction from. The Allianz leagues are probably the mainstay for Antrim now, where we get to pit ourselves against the top teams in the country, and it's very important for Antrim that we get back into that top tier of hurling.